Greetings to all. Today I shall teach you how to obtain a transcript from a YouTube video. First, thou must open thy browser of choice. Once opened, go to YouTube and open any video thou wish to obtain the transcript for. As soon as the video is loaded, look for the three dots icon in the bottom right corner of the video. Do not click on it just yet. Instead, scroll down slightly and click on the More button. After clicking on More, scroll down further until thou findest the Show Transcript option. Click on it. The transcript of the entire video shall now appear before thee. If thou wish to view the transcript in a smaller window, simply click on the three dots icon again and then select Transcript. There is also an option to show timestamps in the transcript window. If thou chooses this option, the transcript will be divided into segments based on the timestamps in the video. This is the method for obtaining a transcript from a YouTube video. I hope this information is useful to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.